Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the exhaust blower in your SP1002 Big E2 pellet stove.
Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on the stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you.
The tools needed for today's project are a 5/16" socket driver and a 7/16" socket driver. Before starting our project, first make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. Using your socket driver, loosen and remove the 3 screws along the back side of the stove that secure the side panel to the stove. Then pull the side panel down and away from the top of the stove to remove it. To begin replacing your blower, you'll first want to remove the proof of fire switch on the bottom outside of the housing for the blower. You'll need to remove these 2 wires before proceeding. Remove the 2 screws securing the switch to the blower housing. Next, unhook the 2 wire leads connecting the blower motor to the wiring harness. Then, using your 3/8 nut driver, remove the bolts that secure the blower housing and blower motor to the stove. Before installing your new blower motor, you may need to inspect the seal from the old blower. If the seal is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Install and tighten the remaining screws that you removed. Make sure that all screws are tightened properly before proceeding. Now that you've tightened all of the screws, connect the blower wire leads to the stove's wiring harness. Reattach the proof of fire switch to the blower housing and then connect the wire leads. You can now push the side panel back into place and replace the 3 screws securing it to the back side of the stove. Now that our project is complete, be sure to plug the stove back in and turn it on to check for proper operation.
Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you.
Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching BurnTech University.